Take that out, put that on the top there, and screw that back down, and then move that bit up here.
Yeah.
Yeah, because where that is, it's below the level of the pickup, so you can't put strings on it. That's what I mean. Someone's played about with it, thinking they'll do it up, and ain't got a clue what goes where.
Yeah.
That's probably why they chucked it.
Yeah.
So it's all a bit arse about face. They sort of put it together and not
they're
quite.
basic. I mean, I've had so many injuries like that come in. People have like taken them apart.
But you're saying this is
you know Paul Southpaw. You know Paul Southpaw.
But you're saying this is pretty much in as is condition then.
Is he on the
No, he goes on the open mic circuit.
left hand?
Yeah. He bought a guitar into me. Now this guitar he bought, I know where he got it from. And the fingerboard up here, the fingerboard was, this side was 4mm thick, that side was 5mm thick. Down here, that side was 3mm thick, that side was 4mm thick. And in the middle it was 1.5mm.
Fucking hell, what?
How can that happen?
It was and not only that, when they put that guitar together, they put it together with nails.
Oh my God.
Yeah. There's bloody staples in it.
Flipping neck.
Eh?
But
I took all the staples.
the knob.
I put a brand new fretboard on it for him.
Yeah. Huh?
I put a brand new fretboard. He wanted it fretless, so I've done a beautiful fret. Yeah.
Yeah.
And I put little markers where the frets would be. I put little marker lines set into the wood.
So we're missing a control knob on there.
Yeah.
And you say we're missing a bolt the other end at the top near the head.
No, you're missing. All you're missing here. You're missing the once you've got one strap.
Yeah, strap thing. Yeah.
Button missing.
Yeah.
You'll see what I've got.
There's a screw missing at one of the
tensioners. The yeah.
One of those things at the top. There's a couple of loose ones. There's one that's missing.
Yeah, but that's how they're fixed in. They're not screwed down. They're held in by those screws.
Yeah, just need a screw.
I've got millions of screws.
Yeah.
I've got millions of those little screws, mate.
But the control knob,
because they're all a bit Mickey Mouse.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll service
moving
that.
About, yeah.
No, I'll tighten it all up, make it all nice and tight. Might even put a new set of machine heads on it.
So
I've got a spare set.
You said that the plate on the back scratch plate was
would have had
changed.
A H on it at one time.
So how come have they taken it off? There's nothing.
Someone's worked on it.
There's no components under it though, is there?
No, there's no components.
No.
But someone may have taken it off, put it on another guitar.
All right.
Swapped them out.
Strange.
Yeah, people do a lot of strange things.
Yeah. But the volume control or tone control, can you get another one or?
Yeah, they're common. They're really common. They are.
Yeah.
They're generic. I mean, it's only going to cost you a couple of, maybe £1 or so.
Yeah.
So I mean,
it's just the two bolts. The two bolts at the bottom, they're very large. Are they meant to be on there?
Yeah.
They are. Yeah.
What they've done. If you look, there's a little recess between those bolts.
Yeah.
There's a little plate.
Yeah.
And there's a recess.
Yeah.
Well, that piece should be up here.
Yeah.
It should be in that recess, not down there. That's what I mean. If someone's taken it apart and buggered about with it, at some point that fingerboard's been taken off and put back.
Yeah.
But I can sort that out because all that really needs is just levelling that neck up with that fingerboard.
Yeah.
Do you reckon there was a scratch board on there?
I should imagine so. There's the hole for it.
Nah.
There's a hole for it. There's a hole on the top, isn't there?
Nah.
Well, I saw a tiny hole.
Nah, that's just a piece of black shit, mate. Yeah. No, it's a little hole, but Yeah, no, they might have had it. Someone put a scratch plate on, but it wouldn't have had one.
Strange. We'll have to see what you can
A
do with it.
lot of people did, like, you know, try and put things on these to make them look more like Gibsons
Yeah.
and that, but the difference is when you start the sound waves.
Yeah.
When you start playing it, you know the difference between that and a Gibson.
We'll have to. It'll be nice to see what it sounds like when it's stringed up.
Remember,
Yeah. Yeah.
you've almost promised God you're going to learn how to play on it.
Oh, flipping heck.
He'll take his fiver back.
Ah, he may well do. Yeah. Yeah.